And then finally, this £5. Yeah, that's more than I like to pay. I've done a very similar kit in the past, which I bought specifically because I liked the idea of the monkey climbing along the rope. But it did have other parts with it. And I wouldn't have bought this other than the fact it also says it's a remote control. I mean, it's just stop-start remote. So we have orangutan, that's the one that does the climbing on the rope, crab, penguin, pterosaur, rabbit, elephant, scorpion, and tyrannosaurus. You need 6 AA batteries, and you've got the remote. So I did peek inside, and I think I could see the remote in the charity shop. So we'll have a look inside now. Obviously, if I'm going to do this, then that's going to be a load of separate videos. A little bit just fell on the floor and went over that way. We won't worry about that just now. So there is our motor, gearbox, and remote, I should imagine. Oh, that's got 4 settings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's got 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. Oh, it's infrared. That's what so that's different channels. So if we set that to 1, set that to 1. I don't expect there to be any power in there. No. Oh, it's light on there. Where's the sensor? Is that the sensor? Oh, there's the sensor. There's the sensor. So we're on setting 4. Nothing. Can we actually see anything flickering? No, we can't. Okay, so even though the lights come on, it doesn't appear to be enough power. Because you'd be able to see it on the camera, even though I can't see it. I'll get some batteries and try it out. Oh, what have we got there? That's a complete replacement motor. Sealed. Oh gosh. I wonder if somebody had a problem with it and it didn't work and they've been sent a replacement motor. Oh, we'll spend 2 minutes just to see if that actually works. Back in a minute. Just having a look inside the battery case here. We've got a fair bit of corrosion on these 2 tags. So that's probably not helping. Yeah, down in the bottom of there as well. Let's put the light on. There's a corroded battery terminal in there. Cleaning those battery terminals seems to have helped. Lights on nice and bright. Where are we? There's the sensor. Okay, now it's clicking. It's running, but it's clicking. So I suspect, oh, I can see we got a tooth missing. That's probably why there's a spare motor in there. Let's see if we can get up close. Can we turn this manually? Up there. Can we see it? There's a tooth missing on that gear. So that's why we've got a spare motor and gearbox. Well, I would call that a winner. Excellent. Not that it makes any difference, but there's the missing tooth. Don't know if we're in focus there or not. You just see it through the case. So the infrared receiver still works. Motor works. The batteries work. But just one broken gear. So that is reusable, repairable. I don't think you'll be able to find the right gear online. You never know. Might be able to. Usually have to buy about a pack of 50 or something if you're ordering from somewhere like AliExpress, just to make it worth their while putting it in the post. But we don't need to repair it because we've got a spare. But we could repair it and then we got two. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.